This is the second video in our series about the software development lifecycle. In the first video, we had a brief overview of the SDLC, and now know it consists of 5 models. These are the requirements phase, next comes the design phase, then implementation, verification, and finally the maintenance stage once your software has been completed and released. If you have not yet watched the introduction video, we strongly recommend it. A link to the playlist is available in the description below. We will now dive a little deeper into the first stage, which is the requirements stage. The requirements stage will outline or define the problem at hand. In this stage, we take the idea of the problem and represent it in a solid way, with real-world explanations. As example, we might take an idea of a website and create a list of features the site will have, what a user will be able to do on it. We avoid using technical jargon at this stage. Anyone reading it should be able to fully understand it. As an example, we will take the Contact Us page and list out the requirements. First, we state it is a way for users to contact us. They will need to enter their name, email address, and a brief message. All of the fields are mandatory, and each message someone sends should store in our database. The form should prevent the user from entering bad input, and make sure the email address field validates the user entered an email, and does not allow for SQL injection, etc. There also needs to be a submit button, so the user can send the message. Notice there is no technical jargon. We are not stating how the message will be sent, what type of database will hold the information, or how validation checks need to be made. In the next video, we will move on to the design stage and continue our example of a contact form on a website. Make sure to check out the link in the description below for all of the videos in this series. If you found this video useful and don't want to miss out on other similar videos, then please consider giving us a follow and a thumbs up.